We want to find the mean, median and mode for this data. Now we need the data to be in numerical order for the median, and that also helps with the mode as well. So I'm going to do that first. So we've got a 4, then a second 4, then we have a 9, we have a 12, and then 102. So that's 6 pieces of data. So for the mean, we're going to add those pieces of data. And then divide by the number of pieces of data. So we can calculate that. So we've got 4, add 9, add 12, add 12, and then 102 at the end. And we know there are 6 pieces of data there. So that gives me 23.83 if I go to 2 decimal places. So now for the median. Well, we know there's 6 pieces of data. So 6 add 1 divided by 2, 7 over 2 is 3.5. So we need to be halfway between the third and fourth piece of data. So 1, 2, 3. So just in this gap here, halfway between 9 and 12. If you can't spot that, as I mentioned before, you can just do 9 add 12 and divide that by 2. So that's the mean of those two numbers. And that tells us the median is 10.5. The mode, well, there's 2 of those. We've got 4 and 12. Why is the median the only representative average for this example? Well, the mode isn't, because we have 2 of them. So that's the first thing to note. And then the mean isn't because of this outlier. This outlier is so big that it means that the mean is actually in this gap here between the main body of the data and the outlier. So only the median really gives us the middle of what is the main body of the data.